Trans island to empire. We global now, no limit, no borders. Yeah. Started from the coast, no silver spoon. Just dreaming bees in a human room. Now I'm charting next to them US names. Independent grind, no label change. We talking profits, not just fame. Every verse I drop, that's claim the name. They said PNG won't break that line. Now the world tuned in, this shine is mine. Every show, every stream, built from the island dream. Now we moving overseas, stacking racks with melody. Nigga, any rides we never fold. Money moves and stories told. From the jungle to the gold, we the way that can't be sold. Island boy with a billionaire plan. Turn my hustle to a global brand. From us BBs to US fans, we make charts shake, understand. Flights out the tropics, jet to States. Now I'm signing deals with major players. Balenciaga drip, but roots intact. From Zayna City, that's impact. Mama said, son, never chase a track. Now I manifest checks, that's fact. We bringin' New Guinea flavor impacts. 808 drums with cultural tracks.
Every beat, every pain, we build empires through the rain. From the block to the Hall of Fame, New Guinea sound, remember the name.
New Guinea rise, we never fold. Money moves and stories told. From the jungle to the gold, we the way that can't be sold. Island boy with a billionaire plan. Turn my hustle to a global brand. From us BBs to US fans, we make charts shake, understand.
Yeah, it's more than music, it's legacy. From the island hustle to the global stage. Yeah.